Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designz brand. So, guys, I am hopping on here right quick to do an unboxing of some items that were sent to me by my sweet friend, Tawanda. Tawanda over at Tawanda's Blessed Life. If you have not connected with Tawanda yet, make sure you head on over to her channel. Again, that's Tawanda's Blessed Life. I will link her channel to this video for easier access for you. But yeah, she was so sweet and kind to send me some things, and I want to share those things with you. Uh, of course, I appreciate you so much, my sweet friend. So much. You didn't have to do it, but you did. And I hope that you enjoy the things that I sent to you. One thing about it, uh, I'm the type of person, if I have overflow, then I don't have a problem with sharing. And so Tawanda, made a comment under one of my videos about a calendar that I had used in one of my DIYs. And she said she wanted that. So I was like, okay, so send me your address. She did. And I sent her the calendar and some other things. So I'm pretty sure that she's going to do an unboxing video as well. But yeah, let's get into the video so I can share with you the things that she sent me. We just got a package. We just got a package. We already know who it's from, right? So let's get into it, guys. So I had to get some scissors. And I am not going to open showing her address. If she wants to share that with you all, she will. But I don't want to. If you are interested in sending me anything, you can. I'm not going to not accept it. I always link my contact information in the description box of my videos, so you should find my address there. And yeah, you can send me some things. For the next DIY collaboration that I'm doing with my crafting bestie Felicia over at BOK Media Life, as well as BOK Media Food Freaks, I will be actually gifting that particular item to one of my subbies. And all you have to do is watch the video all the way through and just comment on the video and just be one of the first people to acknowledge the video. So anyway, I have the box semi-open. Let's see. Let's see, Tawanda, what you sent me, girl. She so neatly packed her stuff. Oh my gosh. Let me put this in my lap. Oh. We're going to go through. Oh. Girl. Let me see. Oh, so y'all, she's so sweet. She's so sweet. And I'm going to use this box. So thank you for the box too. Okay, let's start out. Look at the little chicky wired edge ribbon. It is so adorable. This will be good to use during Easter time. Look at there, guys. Oh. I can create a wreath for my chicken coop. That's so cute. And now that I have a new storage shed outside in my back, I can create wreaths for the doors using this, and it'll tie in with um my chicken coops. Thank you, Tawanda. I like it. Okay. I love this because I love the red truck. Look at that transfer. Ah, I love it. Tawanda, you be listening, girl. Oh, look at this. Allspice. Oh, such nostalgia. Oh, yes. You already know. You already know. I don't even have to say anything. You already know. Joy. I'm gonna use these in some Christmas things coming up. Oh, this would be good for a what you call those boxes? I can't think. The Christmas stickers. I can put one in each one of the little boxes. I can't think of they call it something. I can't think of it. Oh, look at these. Oh. XOXO. Oh, there it is. This cute bag. Great for Valentine's Day DIYs. Ah. Ah. Tawanda, this stuff is falling. You gave me so much stuff. Tawanda, I love, 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 love these napkins. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Sweet as can be. Just like my sweet friend Tawanda. She gave me 2 of them. They're so cute. Great summer. Great for summer. Oh, look at this. Oh, these are so cute. I wonder where you get these cute napkins from. They are so pretty. Guys, look at this one with the rabbits. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at this. This will be really cute to use in a one of my I can't even think. My little books. I can't think of it. You know what I'm talking about. Junk journal books. That's what it is. That's so cute. Look at these. Tawanda, this Mackenzie Child looking napkins. So pretty. Oh, look at these with the rabbits. This is pretty. I know Donna over at the Creole Crafter would love this because of the color blue. She's into blue. That's her favorite color. Oh, this is so, it's just so cute. Tawanda, you got some pretty napkins, girl. Look at these. Y'all need to connect with my friend Tawanda. No, you don't. She's my friend. No. Just picking. Look at these. Cozy and warm. Oh. I'm going to use this in a DIY. I'm going to use this in an upcoming DIY with the Creole Crafter and the Crafty Doll, Melinda and Donna. If you haven't checked out those channels, make sure you check out their channels as well. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous. Oh, Tawanda. These napkins are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They're just so pretty. Girl, look at this. These are some pretty napkins. And you saw this one. It's out of place. Let me put it back with the other one. Oh. Girl, thank you for these. Oh. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, and you know what it's spelled? Joy. I love it. I love it. You're so sweet. Oh, Tawanda. I don't even want to do anything with this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I like that as it is. So, no. Oh, look at these. Tawanda. These spring florals. They're so pretty. Oh. That's going to be pretty. That's on... as a floral on a wreath. That is going to be gorgeous. She got me 2 of them. Guys, imagine me taking this and including this on the wreath. Tawanda, from the bottom of my heart, I like everything. And the good thing about it is that I can use all of this in a DIY. As far as the cutting board, I probably won't touch it. I like that rusticness of it. So I will probably keep that as is. If I do anything, I will add rope to it. But other than that, I love everything. I really, really appreciate you. I value the friendship that we're building. You are such a sweet person. I want to encourage you to continue with your crafting. You do an amazing job. I like the fact that you do things your way. One thing about it, I like the eclecticness of your crafts and the way you style them in your home. You mix this style with this style. You're not stuck in one style, or you're not doing things based on a trend. And I like that. I really, really do. You DIY the way you want to your own tune, to your own beat. And for that, I say continue to do that. Because one thing about it, what God has for you is going to always be for you. And likewise, what God has for me is going to always be for me. And I thank God for allowing us to cross paths so that we can connect on a different level outside of YouTube. So again, Tawanda, thank you so much for these beautiful items. I love the napkins. Of course, I love the stickers. The transfer sticker. I just love them. They're so so cute, especially the one with the real reindeer that says joy. It just brought a big smile to my face every time I look down at it. It's so cute because the reindeer just smiling. But I love the stickers. I love the joy cardstock. Everything is cute, and I really, 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 really appreciate the thoughtfulness of how you were in tune with certain things that I bring to the channel, and you kind of um, gifted me things that goes along with the things that I do here on YouTube. So again, guys, if you have yet to connect to my sweet friend Tawanda over at Tawanda's Blessed Life, make sure you click on the link that I will be leaving in the description box of this video. Make sure you go over and connect with Tawanda and let her know that Joy said hello. And, just show her some love and support. And if you haven't subscribed to her channel, go ahead and subscribe. It costs you nothing to show support. And, she's doing an amazing job. She's a very talented crafter. If you are a person that suffers with migraines, you want to connect to Tawanda as well. She suffers with it, and she has tips and everything that she can share with you as it relates to migraine relief. I know that she also gives sister lock updates because she has sister locks. I know my sister-in-law is wanting to get some sister locks in her hair. And she would love to connect with Tawanda. Her name is Wendy, and she's just starting a channel here on YouTube. And it's called I Am Uniquely Unique here on YouTube. So check her out as well. Again, she's getting started and, trying to learn the ropes of how YouTube operates. So show her some support as well. But this video is dedicated to my sweet friend Tawanda. Again, Tawanda, I appreciate everything that you gifted me, and I look forward to us eventually doing a collaboration together very soon. So until the next DIY, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I can't leave myself out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do by clicking on that red subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So again, thank you, Tawanda. Again, head over to Tawanda's Blessed Life. That's linked in the description of this video. Everyone that I've mentioned in this video, I will also include a link to their channels. But yeah, make sure you show Tawanda some love and support, okay? Until the next DIY, I can close now. Bye for now.